Making a Discord bot is surprisingly easy, but please remember that even though I'm using TypeScript for this video, you can also follow along this tutorial with JavaScript. TypeScript is just an upgraded version of JavaScript. First off, we need to initialize the project. Go into the terminal in the bottom and type npm init. If you don't have a terminal open, go to the top, click terminal, and click new terminal. After typing npm init, you will need to keep pressing enter until the prompt ends. This allows the project to create an information file for your project, though this won't really be all that important for the rest of the build. Now, typing tsc-init will create a TypeScript configuration file. This will be very relevant for the project. Within this file, change the verbatim module syntax from true to false. This last bit might not be relevant if you're not using the same version of TypeScript as I am. Now, create two folders, one named tsfiles for the TypeScript files that you'll be making, and one named app that will contain the compiled code. Change the values root_dir and out_dir in the tsconfig JSON file to match with the app and tsconfig paths that you've created. To make all this as easy as possible, we'll use npm to install Discord.js. Discord.js is Discord's own library to contact their API without having to know what their API is. Do like this in the terminal and wait for it to finish. Now comes the fun part. Create a file named index.ts within the ts files folder. This will be our only file for this bot. When created, go inside and import Discord.js like so. When imported, you can create a new client. This will be the core of our bot project. To create the client, we will need to tell it what the intentions are. In this case, I wanted to get all the data regarding guilds, guild members, and guild messages. For everyone who doesn't know what a guild is a Discord server. It's just called a guild for unknown reasons. Now, we only need the bot token and to enable the privileged intents from the development website. For that, you need to head to the website in the description and create an application. I'm just going to use one of my already existing projects, GameBot. For the token, go under bot, and in my case, reset token. This will give you a new token for the bot, but also stop the old one from working. Before you get any ideas, I've already reset my token, so you won't be able to use it. And for the intent, you just scroll down a little bit and enable server members intent and message content intent to match the intents we inserted earlier. And finally, to make the Discord bot work, you will need to use client.login using the token that we just acquired. This will result in us having a Discord bot that is actually online. Congratulations. You did it. To test the bot, we'll need to invite it in. Going back to the development website, we go to OAuth 2, check the box saying bot, and for ease of use, I'll select administrator permissions. This is because I lack the knowledge behind all the requirements for each command I do. If you understand it better than me, I suggest using less intrusive permissions. This will make it a lot easier for people to trust your application in the future. Using that link, invite the bot into your test server and continue to the next step. A simple function that we can code in is its ability to respond to messages. Let's say this message contains the words "damn you" in that specific order, and with that exact spelling. Then the bot will reply, "That's not very nice." Let's test it. You can see if I try with an uppercase D and "damn you," it doesn't work. But if I lowercase it, there you go. This isn't all that useful, so here's a simple message filter that filters out shapes just in case you're having a serious problem with squares and circles. Remember to put the entire message content into lowercase to make sure people can't bypass the filter by simply spelling it with uppercase letters, just like I did in the previous example. As you can see here, it works. If you want more content like this, like and subscribe, leave suggestions in the comment section, and enjoy your new Discord bot. Adios.